Okay, everybody, you've got two separate summaries of the play of Romeo and Juliet. That gives you some insight into the plot. And as you know, that's the setting. Where is this taking place? What happens in this story? And who are the characters that are involved? Now, there's a lot of characters going on, and most of them have names that aren't names that you typically hear in your normal day-to-day. So, knowing the names of the characters doesn't even help us fully understand who these people are and why they do the things that they do. So it's time to pause on our summaries so that we can investigate the people of the story, the characters, to better understand what is going on in the plot. We should know who are the people involved and how are they related to each other, how are they motivated, and what are their characteristics, their traits that cause them to do the things that they do. So clicking on to the next slide, you'll see we have a casting call assignment. Now, to do this, you're going to access two documents. The first is a character guide, and the next is a casting call sheet. A casting call sheet is something that you would use if you were the member of a film production team, someone who is making a movie or a television show, and they needed to cast actors into the roles that would be played. So we're going to pretend that that's our job and use that as our way of getting to know the characters. If you get to know the characters, you can then think of what actors you think would best show that character on screen. Now, first thing we'll do is guide through the characters using the Romeo and Juliet character guide. If you click on that, you'll find you have a whole new slideshow that can guide you through each one of the characters in the play, and it gives some background information and characteristic traits for them. And this will go through each and every person. So this is a great resource to have. Now back on our lesson slideshow, you'll find a link to the casting call sheet. This is your worksheet to actually add in names of actors that you think would be great to play the part of each character in the play. So you can take your time reading through the characters, then reference the casting call sheet and put down actors that you like and that you think would be great for your version of Romeo and Juliet. Go ahead and take the time you need. Use internet searching to get the names of actors from films and TV shows that you like so that you can complete that. And when you're done, we'll come back to the final summary that we're going to investigate today. Go to the next slide and click on the character guide and then get started.